This is Emmanuel from EFRIS Company Uganda Limited. In this video, I'm going to just show a summary or brief overview of Kakasaefris. Kakasaefris is a system which is designed to integrate Quickbooks Online with EFRIS. That is, EFRIS is an acronym for Electronic Invoicing and Fiscal Receipting System, which is owned by Uganda Revenue Authority, commonly known as URA. So all taxpayers who are VAT registered are required to integrate their accounting systems with Uganda Revenue Authority. Basically, for those clients who are using QuickBooks Online, we offer you something like this. To get started, you can visit Kakasaefris.com and you come down here and click on Get Started. So, at this point, we have the pricing plans. You can go ahead and choose whichever plan you want. Then you click on Subscribe. This will bring you to a form like this. Go ahead and fill in your accurate details. Then agree the terms and send. When it comes to the domain, for Kakasaefris, this is a SaaS application. Each company will always have a different domain and a different database, but they're using the same source code. So, for example, my test account, it is called with.kakasaefris.com. So probably for you, you can also add the subdomain you may want. Let's say if your company is MTN, then it is MTN. You can request for something like mtn.kakasaefris.com. Go ahead and submit this, then we shall get back to you and finalize the onboarding process. This system will help you connect your QuickBooks account with EFRIS with ease. Thank you for watching.